Taxi operator charged with mob victims' murder in Mandeville, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Manchester taxi operator was on Thursday offered bail in the sum of $500,000 after being charged with the murder of the mob killing of 62-year-old Campbell on May the 6th in Mandeville, Manchester. The taxi operator Orlando Powell, who made his first court appearance on Thursday, is said to have mistakenly identified Campbell as a thief. Campbell, who is described as a well-respected citizen and dedicated community member of Victoria Town in southern Manchester, died after a mob beat him on Lower Manchester Road in Mandeville Town. Head of the Manchester Police, Superintendent Lloyd Darby, told reporters on Thursday that a post-mortem examination showed that Campbell's death resulted from blunt force trauma. As a result of this, they took into custody one individual who they had seen on camera footage as being involved. The man has since been charged with murder and is before the court, said Darby. He reiterated his call for the public to refrain from mob attacks. We just want to take this opportunity to remind people that whenever there is any matter that comes before them, that they believe that justice needs to be done, that they should leave it to the police, contact the police and let the police deal with it, added Darby.
Right, a post-mortem was held, and the result of the post-mortem, pathologist said that Mr. Chieftin Campbell died from blunt force trauma. As a result, we took into custody one individual who we had camera footage as being involved. He has since been charged with his murder and he is before the courts. Orlando Powell, taxi operator, has been charged with the murder of Mr. Chieftin Campbell. So we have completed the first leg of the prosecution system. Court.
Campbell died days before his wedding, which was planned for May 12 at a resort in Trelawney. Residents of Victoria Town had protested Campbell's death last month by using debris and downed trees to block section of the road leading into the community. Attorney at law Oswald Senior Simit has since been retained by the Campbell's family to monitor the probe by the police and represent the family interests. Relatives are planning to bid farewell to Campbell's in a tank. Relatives are planning to bid farewell to Campbell in our Thanksgiving service on June 25th. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.